All right, Dick Pants wanted me to show you how to change a tire, but we've only got 3 minutes and we can't f up or he's going to sell the shop to Aspen Resorts. Ready? Go! Okay, if we're working on the back tire, step 1 is to shift the rear derailleur out of the way. Next, if there's a rim brake, release that because it'll also get in the way. If it's a quick release axle, all you got to do is flip the lever open and loosen the nut at the other end. So now the wheel should just drop right out. You may need to finesse it a little. So now you stab your tire lever under the closest tire bead. You can flip the lever down and pull towards you until that side is all the way off. Now you can whip your tube out, assuming you use them. If you're changing a flat as opposed to just changing tires, then go ahead and patch or replace this tube. So assuming you do have a flat and aren't just changing tires because you want a different tread, go ahead and sweep the tire out, even if you think you found the thorn. For maximum convenience, I like to line up the valve hole in the rim with the maximum tire pressure information stamp on the tire. Keep that little nugget to yourself. Be mindful that some tires have directional treads, meaning it matters which way you install them. Once you have one bead fully mounted, move the tire to one side and plant your valve in the hole. Now, if possible, lay the wheel down on a bucket and gently work the tube into the tire, starting at the valve hole. This is impossible to do without just the right amount of air in the tube, so mess around with different pressures if you have to. Next, starting at the valve and working towards the seam, tuck the other bead of the tire back into the rim. Next, poke the valve a few times just to make sure it's not stuck, and flip the wheel around so you can work the last section with the heels of your palms. If you insist on using your tire lever for this step, you will have problems, not just with bikes, but with every area of your life. Just don't do it. Oh, if you have Presta valves, don't forget to open that before inflating. Can't tell you how many times. I don't know what pump you're using, but most of them have a lock lever for gripping the valve. Be sure to investigate. Oh, don't forget to close the valve once you're done. Dust covers! They're just for looks. Seriously, they're just for looks. Okay, this is important. Don't forget which cog the chain was on when you took the wheel off. That'll definitely help things line back up. Also, if you have disc brakes, be careful not to knock one of the pads out with the rotor. They're basically just held in there with dreams and promises. Make sure the nut is tight enough that the quick release lever feels a little stiff. And don't forget to reconnect your rim brake if you're kicking it old school, as the kids all... Well, that's it. Hope this helps. Give that tire a satisfied smack and go find yourself some ice cream. Don't forget to like and subscribe, by the way. This is my job right now. I'm not great at this yet, but I'm determined to make it worth your trouble. Okay, thanks. Bye.